Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recover an unsaved Word document in Microsoft Word easily. So open Microsoft Word, click on blank document. Now first make sure you have auto recovery feature is turned on. Click File. Now go to Options, go to Save. Now here make sure this two option is selected. Save auto recovery information in every 1 minute and keep the last auto save version if I close without saving. So if these two option is not selected, first select these two option and change the timing into 1 minute so that it save auto recovery information in every 1 minute. Click OK. Now first let me show you a real example. While working on Word documents, suppose the application suddenly closes accidentally before saving, so I close this application. Now I select don't save. Most people think the document is gone forever, but don't worry, Microsoft Word has a hidden auto recovery features that can help recover unsaved document in just a few clicks. Now again open Microsoft Word, click on blank document, again go to File, go to Info. Now click on this drop down arrow on Manage Version, select Recover Unsaved Documents. Just click on it and you will see here on File. Just click on this file and open. So this is here my documents I have recovered successfully by using the auto recover feature in Microsoft Word. Now I can save this document. So this is how you can recover unsaved Microsoft Word documents using the auto recovery feature. This trick is very useful if Word crashes, your PC shut down unexpectedly, or you accidentally close the file without saving. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful computer tips and tricks. So thanks for watching my video.